In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display different number formats in the axis and the tooltip in Tableau. If you've ever found yourself needing to present data more effectively or making your visualizations more comprehensible, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll begin by launching the Tableau app. Make sure you've got it installed on your computer to follow along. Open the app and access your worksheet where you wish to display different number formats. This ensures that we can make the necessary changes in the right place. Once you have your worksheet open, we'll focus on the measure you are interested in, such as profit. Right-click on this measure to bring up a context menu. This menu will give us the options we need to manipulate and format the data as required. Next step is selecting duplicate. This is important because it allows us to work with a copy without altering your original data set. With the new duplicated measure, we'll start customizing how it appears in both the axis and the tooltip. Now, drag your original profit measure to the rows shelf. The rows shelf is where we set up our visualizations, and dragging profit there lets us display our data. Then take the duplicated measure, your profit copy, and drag it to the text shelf. This allows us to eventually modify and alter its appearance specifically in the tooltips. We'll now focus on the tooltip itself. Click on the tooltip button and remove profit from the displayed fields. This step ensures that the tooltip reflects only the specific data format we're planning to implement. After removing it, simply click OK. Next, direct your attention to the data bar in your visualization. Right-click it, then select Format from the menu. This is where we'll begin tweaking the number format for your data. Still in the formatting pane, you'll want to click on the Fields drop-down menu. Select Profit here. We need to modify the number formatting, so navigate to Numbers. Here, select Percentage and adjust the decimal settings to display only one decimal place. This rounding enhances readability for your visualizations. For the next stages, click on Fields once more, but this time select your duplicated profit copy. We're doing this to ensure the tooltip and visualization align in their number formats. Go to the Pane section and locate Numbers. Again, select Percentage. Consistency is key for effective data visualization, and ensuring both formats are uniform is crucial. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to format different numerical representations in Tableau, both in the axis and within tooltips. This makes data presentation clearer and more professional, helping your audience grasp the insights that are most important. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps with your next data project.